what's up? My name is Vivek Shankar and I am a Kindle self-publisher based in Dubai. And this video I just wanted to let everyone know about my self-publishing business, and also the reason why you should be getting yourself a mentor for in case you wish to enter this business. Generally, self-publishing is a pretty easy business to get into in terms of it has very low barriers of entry, and also the return on your investment is quite immediate. So it's a very good business to sort of for beginners to get into. As far as my business is going currently, right now I'm making around $3,000 per month consistently. This is actually a big difference from as little as August of last year, when I was struggling to make even $100. A big reason for this is because I decided to hire a mentor for my KDP business. And my mentor is Qasim Mohammed, or Kasi as everyone knows him, who's also based in Dubai. And really that was one of the game changers for my business, because in terms of streamlining the various tasks that need to be done, and sort of planning the investments ahead, the reinvestment into the business, all of that stuff, it's not really something you can learn from any course which you can take online. So it's very important to get yourself a mentor who can sort of give you sort of a hands-on guide and a step-by-step process which you just need to repeat. This person, if he or she has already established a successful business, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to sort of follow what they are doing, and you just replicate those steps. So it's probably the easiest and best investment that you will make for a Kindle business, and pretty much any sort of business you're looking to get into. So that's all I have for right now. Best of luck with all of your endeavors, and have a nice day.